Adding spaces and products to your online store with Rent It and Rent Out software. Welcome to our tutorial on managing your online store. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding spaces and products to make them available to your customers. While we prepare your store for use during the setup phase, this guide will help you make updates or additions whenever needed. Step 1. Creating the floor plan. Adding spaces is a two-step process and begins with uploading a picture of the floor plan. Go to the Storage Halls section and select Add a new storage floor. Upload the floor plan of your storage facility, which will serve as the visual interface for your customers in the online store. If the floor is the first or only floor, make sure to click the Default button to ensure the floor is visible. Next, go to Manage Floor Plan and use the Polygon tool to define the spaces on the floor plan that will be available for rent. Name each polygon to match the corresponding space, such as Storage A1 or, as shown in this demo, 37. This will link to the space details later. Remember to save your progress after you're done. Step 2. Adding spaces to the system. Once the floor plan is ready, proceed to add the spaces to the system by following these steps. Go to the Storage Units section and select Add a new unit. Fill in the required details. Use the same name as the corresponding polygon and set the monthly rental price. For the size, specify the area in square meters. You can also include optional details such as dimensions, width, height, depth, a description, for example, fits belongings from a small apartment, and upload a photo. You can then specify additional features and attributes by selecting relevant options, such as electricity, waste management, district heating, water, insulation, or with a window. Enter the current electricity meter reading if you charge your customers based on their electricity usage. Once all details are completed and saved, the space will appear in the visual online store. Customers can easily select the space directly from the floor plan and proceed to rent it. Part 2. Adding products to your online store. Step 1. Creating categories. To add products, start by creating categories. Categories group products and make them easier for customers to find. For example, in a tool rental business, categories could include drills or circular saws. In vehicle rental, categories might be vans or trailers. Use the admin tools to create categories and give them clear, descriptive names. Assign a priority order to determine how categories are displayed in the online store. Step 2. Adding a product to a category. After creating categories, add and create products under them by following these steps. Click Add New Product. Enter the required details, the name and price for the time slot, for example, 60 minutes. You can determine time slot's duration in the next phase. Provide the price excluding value-added tax, as VAT is also defined separately in the settings. Then, assign the product to a category that was created earlier. Upload a product image for better customer identification. Provide additional details such as a description of the product's features or use cases, technical specifications like dimensions, and a serial number if you have multiple identical products. Once you have completed entering the details, don't forget to save your changes. Next, let's look at managing your product's visibility. Go to Products Items page and select Edit button. In the product settings, you can manage its availability in the online store. You can activate or deactivate the product based on its availability. For example, deactivate it during maintenance. Enable the Turn on the Calendar function option if the product needs its own booking calendar. You can adjust the time slot's duration as desired and define the availability of your service or product with as much precision as you need. You can also set pricing rules, such as hourly rates or volume discounts. And if the product is linked to an automated key locker, specify the name of the locker where the key is stored and the slot where it is dispensed. Once all details are filled in and settings are configured, remember to save the product. It will now appear in the online store under the assigned category. If you have any questions about e-commerce management tools or ideas you'd like to implement in your online store, feel free to contact us. Learn more about the software functionalities at soldoutservices.fi/software.